Now we will derive an expression for sum of n terms of an AP. I have just derived nth term of AP, that is an equal to, what was that term? An was given to be a plus n minus 1 into b. An was like this. We have just derived it. Now we will come to sum of n terms of an AP. The formula for the sum will be determined as here given. As we suppose A is the first term, D is the common difference, and number of terms is n. Number of terms is n. Last term, which is an, is denoted by L. Last term is denoted by L. Obviously, when we write sum to n terms as Sn, then Sn will be sum of all terms. First term as A, second term as A plus D, third term as A plus 2D. So, when we want to take out this sum, we will write Sn is equal to A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D plus dot 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 up to L. Up to L, the last term. Now, the term before L will be L minus D because it is an AP. And in AP, difference of two consecutive terms is always D. Here, A plus D increasing. Obviously from L it will decrease. So we will get here L minus D, then it's L minus 2D, and so on. We write it just reversing the terms. You know that small a plus small b equal to b plus a. The rule of commutativity is true for addition. So here also we can write this Sn equals to, starting from this L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D up to A plus 2D, A plus D and A. Now we add these. What will we get? We will get Sn plus Sn, that is 2Sn. In the next term here, A plus L. Here we will get A plus D plus L minus D, that is this D and this D are cancelled out. You will again get A plus L. In the third term, you will get again 2D cancelled, A plus L. Likewise, since it has n terms, we will get A plus L up to n terms. Here also, dd cancelled, L plus A, 2D cancelled, L plus A. So, we get A plus L plus A plus L plus A plus L up to n terms. What will be? Adding these all terms, we will get n into A plus L. You know, if we add any number 2 times, if you add A 2 times, write 2A, A 3 times, write 3A. So adding A plus L up to n terms, we will get n into A plus L. Now, 2 is brought here, Sn equal to n by 2A plus L. What is the value of L now? Value of L is given last term, that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, we put here the value of L. A plus L का value रख दिया, A plus n minus 1 into D. Add this, you get Sn equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This gives a formula for finding out sum of n terms, sum to n terms of a AP. We will use this formula and also the formula which is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. These two formulas will be used everywhere to solve the problems of AP. Now we sum up.